Okay guys, so we just got back to the room. We haven't filmed a whole lot today, but we've been at the beach all day, getting pretty fried.
Let's see. Ow!
It's not too bad.
It looks bad.
But we just got back to the room and we took a shower and everything. We're about to go shop a little bit and then go grab some good food, I hope. So,
Alright, and what did we do today?
I just said we had a beach party.
Oh, did you?
Oh my God, you said, y'all, this is my problem. She don't even listen to me.
Alright, you hold it.
I'm not on the right side to hold it.
Well, how am I on the right side to hold it? Oh, well then come on this side.
Y'all, this is just terrible.
Alright, we're going shopping.
Yeah.
That's what you said.
Yep.
I did hear that.
I did say that.
But we did film a little bit.
Yeah, we got a little bit of footage of the beach, and we're gonna insert that so y'all can enjoy that. My phone stopped ringing.
It's gonna go for like 10 minutes without a call.
Yeah, that might be a record for the day so far.
Been on the phone all morning long. And it's so pretty out here. First phone call was at 4:45 this morning. Wasn't it 4:45?
That's the first text.
Okay. First text 4:45. First call around 5:30, and the phone has not stopped ringing. It's like 10-minute increments, and it's like call, call, call. Well, what are they gonna do whenever you don't work there? Thank you, New South employees, for not texting and calling me, because I know you guys got it handled. Love you guys. But check out this beach.
Two very boring minutes later.
Tonight we're going to Calhoun's for dinner. Taylor's.
I look like I got raccoon eyes because I was wearing sunglasses all day.
I'm surprised I don't. Taylor's family member said that we needed to go there, so we looked up like the menus of all the places that she recommended. I think that's
when we're choosing tonight.
Where we're gonna go tonight.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go. Taylor wants to look for some shoes.
Yeah, I want to get me some shoes to wear.
And then so we're gonna go shopping for that. And then we'll go head to dinner. And I think we will catch you later.
Later, taters.
We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime.
You getting them? Baby! You finally got your hey dude.
Yeah, finally, after like 2 or 3 states of looking.
Yeah.
About 15 different stores. Online shopping.
Yeah. Finally got him.
Finally got some of these bad boys.
There you go. Just try not to break them. 30 seconds up in.
Come on now.
Alright. Alright. Let me get a look at these bad boys. Oh my goodness. That is so hot.
Highly recommend Hey Dudes. Stylish and comfortable.
We're going into Bass Pro Shop.
We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive. Yeah, we come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive. Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine.
What are you looking at me like that for?
And I'm focused.
Yes, you're in focus now.
I look at you like that because you're pretty.
Oh, you just said that because the camera's down.
Yeah.
He tells me I'm pretty all the time.
What's that those called? Goliath, I'm sure.
What the heck? Well, he's alive. He's just chilling.
I don't think he's gonna be alive for long.
Yes. Yes. Change of plans. The restaurant we were going to go to is, I guess, closed or
Yep.
something. Like,
Drove all the way there.
yeah.
15 minutes the other way.
And,
Pulled up and there was nobody there.
yeah. So we are at Miller's. We're going to see how this goes.
That sounds good. Philly cheesesteak.
What you thinking?
I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm thinking I'm hungry.
Yeah.
And
It's about to go down.
Yeah, it's about to go down. I don't know what's gonna go down, but it's something's gonna go down.
I ordered the strawberry coconut mojito. Looks yummy. What'd you order?
I just got sweet tea.
Yeah. Looks fine.
Try your drink. Is it good? Here, we're full now.
Yes. It's freaking amazing.
Wow. I can get drunk real quick on that.
Oh god.
Yeah, that's really good.
Having trouble picking you up in this dark room.
It is dark here.
Yeah. I'm gonna try something out, okay? That is so good.
Hey.
Okay.
Camera, please. That sweet tea's good, by the way.
Tastes like sugar in a cup.
That's the way I like it.
Ugh.
Tell me about your food.
We got the what is it called? The Zinger's Mountain Milk. I got medium, he got honey barbecue. But it's like fries, chicken, cheese, bacon with ranch.
Lots of ranch.
Yeah. A lot of food.
It's about to go down.
Alright.
I'm very hungry, so I'm excited about this.
Alright, first bite. Have at it.
I always start with fries.
Always.
Try the ranch though.
Hopefully it's like Mazio's ranch. Alright, try a piece of chicken. Are you gonna dip those in ranch?
Heck yeah.
Oh, okay.
Incredible. Absolutely incredible.
On a scale from 0 to 10. One more time. Scale of 0 to 10.
8.5.
I always get this thing out of your face. I always like end up getting half your face out of it.
Oh my god.
Well, we failed the challenge to make a happy plate.
We both feel miserably.
Yeah. You full?
Yeah. Tough to breathe.
Yeah. It's really good.
Miller's and Destin is definitely a must go to.
Alright. Stop!
Oh, go! Dang it, you damn loud ass camera. Go.
No, I'm not singing.
Oh my gosh.
Baby, how are we gonna do it authentically?
Just like being at home.
Yeah,
49 highway.
That's it.
Damn thing is never focused.
It's focused on your hand, baby. You gotta get it what it's focused on. Ain't nothing in this world for free. And no, I can't slow down. I can't hold back. Oh, you know, I wish I could.
Sing it, baby.
Because there ain't no rest for the wicked until we close our eyes for good.
And it's American Idol winners, ladies and gentlemen.
That's my favorite song.
Tom? Oh, hear that? She's so sweet to me. I love her to death.
We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how.
Alright, guys. Day 2 is done.
Complete.
Complete. We are
Exhausted.
exhausted. It is
37.
We are closing out the day. Tomorrow we are planning on having a pool day and kind of just spending time around here. And yeah, Taylor's got some places he wants to go in Baytown to eat and things like that. So plus it's you know, Fat Tuesdays, $2 Tuesday. So your girl's hitting it up.
$2 daiquiris.
Yeah, that's at Fat Tuesdays.
You said $2 Tuesdays.
Yeah, because it's called Fat Tuesdays.
What is $2 daiquiris?
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. But that's, I think that's what I was basically trying to say.
Okay. Neither one of us was wrong, okay?
Yeah, we weren't, because Fat Tuesdays is daiquiris. Anyways, we are about to go to bed on day 2. We will catch you guys tomorrow morning. Hopefully you guys have liked day 1 and are looking forward to seeing day 3 at this point. Alright. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Alright. Oh, goodbye.
See y'all next time.
Oh,